What's up, YouTube? Got another video with my Silverado here. I've had this truck now for about 3 months, and I've recently crossed over 5,000 miles that I've put on it. So now it's time for the second oil change. And I'll show you the stuff I bought. I just got back from Walmart, and I picked out their best deal on name brand oil for synthetic. This is the Chevron Havoline stuff. It is full synthetic, 5W30. That'll work just fine in this truck. It's 6 quarts, and for this whole thing it was about $28. And here's the factory type of filter it takes, about $4.50 for this. That's the 46 model. So altogether, this is less than $35 after tax, and that's for synthetic. So take that to any oil change place, and I doubt that they'll beat that. So let's get started. I already got the engine nice and hot. I took it for a spin before this, so any dirt that's floating around in the oil should all fall out with it when I drain it. Here are the tools I'm using. Got a pair of Blue Point pliers for the oil filter, and this 15mm wrench. And I got a funnel right here and some jugs to collect the old oil when I drain it out of the drain pan. So here we go. Here's the drain pan I like to use. Got it at Walmart a few years ago. Holds 16 quarts. The oil goes down in here, and at the end you can pour it right out into a jug to take out to AutoZone. So it makes it real easy and reduces spills a lot. Down here you can see where the filter is and the drain plug. Very easy to access, and since this is a truck, it has enough clearance that I don't need to jack it up at all. The tires don't need to be rotated right now, so this was quick and easy. It didn't even leave much of a mess. So it's all finished now. Filled up all 6 quarts. Don't really need to measure it when you can see the container is all emptied out and nothing spilled. So made a little bit of a mess on the ground, but it's minor. And I took this drain pan, cleaned it off, left this vent open, and poured it through the funnel back into this wine box. So now I can take this and turn it in to be recycled. So this is a really cheap DIY quality oil change. That's full synthetic oil you're getting for less than 30 bucks plus your filter. So it's just an excellent deal, and I'm happy to do the work myself to save that money and keep this old truck on the road. Alright, so I just finished the oil change. The pressure is looking great. I did the reset procedure for that on these older Chevys. You just turn the key to on, and then you floor the gas 3 times. Then it'll flash on this message center oil change, and then it's good to go.